Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View with another review. So today's broker is the Sharekhan. It's one of the largest full service broker based out of Mumbai, India, with over 1.4 million client base. Has the same resemble is a beast in the Indian equity and derivative trading terrain, who were in fact one of the first to introduce the Indians with the concept of online trading. You can invest with this broker in IPOs and the mutual funds and take profits of depository service like demat account. And Sharekhan has another way in which provides commodity trading on the MCX and the NCDEX. And in terms of fees, Sharekhan has prescribed certain minimum brokerage charges. Minimum prescribed charges will have to be paid even for every minimal quantum of trade, and as the quantum increase, the charges would increase based on the prescribed rates as discussed on the website. And when it comes to the Sharekhan desktop trading terminal, it allows you trading in multiple segments from a single platform. There is a real-time market update, multiple market watch available, offers advanced trading and analytical tools like trade from Excel and heatmap, allows to customize the chart screens, languages, themes, layouts, shortcuts, etc. Tied up with 12 other banks for online transfer of funds. Graph studies are available including average, band Bollinger, and also MACD and the RSI. So Hotkey is similar to traditional broker terminal, and there is different tools available to gauge the market like tick query, ticker, action watch, option premium calculator, and span calculator market summary. And in the trading platform, investors can buy and sell stocks with the provided features like integrated banking, multiple watch lists, demat and digital contract, instant credit and transfer, and real-time portfolio tracking with price alert. And those features are online trading account for equities and derivatives, free trading through phone, is a dial and trade. There's automatic funds transfer with phone banking for customers of Citibank and HDFC Bank. After hours order placement facility between 8 a.m. and 9 and 13 a.m. Integration of online trading plus bank plus demat account. Also, there is instant cash transfer facility against the purchase and sale of any share. And finally, to get instant order and trade confirmations by email or SMS. For the mobile app based trading platform, there is some features like offers extensive features for both traders and investors. Lets the user trade, view charts and detail codes add to market watch and virtual portfolio directly from script search page. For the dial and trade, this platform lets the investor undertake trading activity through phone calls. This platform has a three-step security process. The investor would have to call at the dedicated contact numbers and provide a PIN code, post which investor would be connected with the telebroker and can place an order therewith. The features for this platform are toll-free numbers, the calls are recorded, no capping on the number of calls. The telebroker also provides guidance, assistance, and tips if asked for. Facility to discuss and understand trends and factors affecting the markets. So, between the disadvantages in this broker, uh, the broker's charges are percentage based, which is higher in comparison to flat fee brokers. The facility to place an order after the trading hours is not available. The classic account holders can trade on commodities. So, in conclusion, Sharekhan has very well proven its worth in terms of market leader in over the past few years. The company refused to be constant about its growth in terms of technology and consistently focused on improving its products and services, which in itself is a commendable feat. So that was it, guys. We're coming to the end of this video. I hope you like it, and comment below what you think of this broker. Thank you for watching, and see you on another review with another broker on FX View.